Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Control Board employees will now have an opportunity to enhance their academic qualification. The board has signed a 5-year MOU with the Birla Institute of Technology and Science. Similarly, BIT students and staff will work with GSPCB on pressing issues like hazardous waste, sewage treatment and effluent treatment. The MOU aims at fostering collaboration between the two organizations to promote academic interaction.
Signed an MOU with Birla Institute of Technology, Pilani, where our staff who are employed by the board will do higher education, like for example MSc in Environmental Sciences or MTech in Environmental Sciences or Technology. But also we'll be using students and staff of BITS to help us in various projects that are related to environment in the state of Goa, like hazardous waste, your sewage plants not functioning, effluent treatment plants not functioning. So in any way that BITS can collaborate with the state of Goa insofar as environment is concerned, this MOU will hold.
The memorandum was signed by Goa State Pollution Control Board Member Secretary Levinston Martins and Director of Campus Programs and Industry Engagements, BITS Rajasthan G. Sundar. A video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
India have no hope of making it to the semi-final stage in the ongoing Hockey World Cup in The Hague, Netherlands. After 3 matches, India have just a point to their name. 2 defeats and 1 draw is what the Indian hockey team has managed so far in Pool A. The overall performance of the Indian team has been disappointing to say the least.
India had finished in the 8th position in the last World Cup, which was held in Delhi in 2010. This time in the Netherlands, India seemed to have a fight on their hands, even to match that finish. Such has been the lack of quality in Indian hockey that it makes for a disappointing display time and again in the ongoing tournament. Neither there is a notable improvement in the physicalities of the players and much highlighted need of stamina to last the entire duration, nor is the efficiency back in converting penalty corners into goals. India have suffered at the hands of Belgium and then England in The Hague so far, while the only point came after a draw against Spain. Thanks to goalkeeper Srijesh in fine form, India were saved from the humiliation of conceding plenty of goals. India, ranked 8th in the world, take on 13th ranked Malaysia on Saturday. This will be followed by the encounter against defending champions Australia. India are currently placed 5th in the 6-team Pool A. Only 2 teams from each pool advance to the semi-finals. Australia are in pole position to qualify with 3 wins in 3 matches. England or Belgium could become the 2nd team to qualify from Pool A, depending on the results of their remaining matches. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Should have done a lot better with that, but at least he got it on target.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.